Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good afternoon, everyone. We are from Group 1, consisting of Dr. Abdul Hakim, Diki Muhammad Nurdiansah, and Evandra. Today, we will present the critical appraisal of research article entitled Analysis of Student Difficulties in Understanding the Concept of Newton's Law of Motion. The article was written to explore the common learning difficulties students face when studying Newton's law of motion. The research are a descriptive analysis method and involved 14 second semester students from the physics education to the program at Samawa University. They ask an easy test to examine how students apply Newton's law in solving problems. Okay, next slide. Abstract. Let's begin with the abstract of the article. The aim of study is to investigate the types of difficulties students experience in understanding Newton's law. Three major findings were reported. One, this difficulty in integrating mathematical equation. 2. Inability to operate trigonometric-based integration and differentiation. 3. Poor understanding of potential energy in conservative profile. These difficulties indicate both conceptual weakness and mathematical limitation among the students. Next level, slide introduction. What is the topic? Student difficulties in understanding Newton's law of motion. What are the issues? Number one, despite good teaching, students do not reach the expected learning outcomes. 2. Newton's law are fundamental concepts that must be mastered by prospective physics teachers. 3. Difficulties are found in solving problems involving force, velocity, acceleration, and conservative while due to lack of calculus and conceptual understanding. Next slide. Literature review, theoretical framework. What are the theoretic about? 1. Newton mechanics. 2. Concept of motion and forces. 3. The relationship between mathematical skill and understanding physics. 4. Conservative force, phi, and potential energy. 5. Trigonometry in physics problem solving. These concepts are essential in physics but are often missed for students who are still developing their math foundation. Next slide. Research method. Slide number 4. Methodology atau basic approach as to analyze student difficulties and understanding Newton law of motion. Data collection, technique of collection data, isi taking 5 questions targeting concept like 1. Velocity, 2. Acceleration, 3. Force, 4. Trigonometry motion, 5. Conservative force file. Data analysis. 1. Analysis of student written response. 2. Identification of pattern of error and misconception. 3. focus on understanding conceptual and mathematical difficulties. Uh, um, for further discussion will be done by Diki Muhammad Nurdiansah.
Yes. Thank you. Here I will discuss the results and discussion, conclusion, reference, thing of the research, and recommendation of the research. Okay. Research and discussion. What are the results of the article? One, the average score of the student was uh, for 48.3. This means that the average score of the student in the test or assessment conducted was for 48.3, which is categorized as low. This indicates that in general, student understanding of the materials tested is still lacking. Two, uh, 100% of students failed in problem involving trigonometric power function. This is a very significant finding. All students 100% failed to solve problems involving trigonometric power function. This indicates a serious difficulty in understanding this concept. Three, 92% could not calculate potential energy in conservative force, but the majority of students, 92%, were unable to calculate potential energy in conservative force fields. This indicates a weakness in understanding the concept of energy and force fields in physics. For 71 to 78% while in solving problem about velocity in displacement. The majority of students, 72, 71 to 78, failed to solve problem relates to velocity and displacement. This indicates difficulty in kinematic, your basic concept of motion. 5. Only 3 students success in solving vector-based problem. Only 3 students success in solving vector-based problem. This highlights student general difficulty in handling vector quantities and vector operation. Okay, next one. The majority of students still struggle and understand Newton's law of motion. The main difficulty were found in inadequate skill in mathematical integration, the inability to handle trigonometry operation in a physics context, misconception regarding potential energy in conservative. Or 5, the main recommendation is to strengthen student mathematical foundation before teaching more complex physics topic. This is my conclusion. What is the conclusion of the research? Okay, next. It is reference or bibliography. Okay. Next talk. What your group think of the research? My group is, I think, the research, my the topic. In your opinion, the topic of the research is very relevant and important, especially for basic education student. Understanding Newton's law of motion in fundamental and identifying student learning difficult is essential to improve teaching strategies. Dan lengwe, uh, waiting bilang is we think the language is in this article in clear and easy to understand. The author explains complex ideas in a straightforward manner, making the article accessible even for early semester student. Okay. Nah, part of the research checklist. Okay, one abstract. Part of the research abstract checklist. Two introduction checklist. Three literature review or theoretical framework checklist. Four methodology checklist. Five research and discussion. Okay, checklist. Six conclusion checklist. Uh, Seven reference checklist. Next talk. Do you group recommend use to read the research? My group, yes, we recommend you to read the article because the research for the research provides a clear and relevant analysis of real learning difficulties faced by students is offer important insight for both educator and learner, especially in the field of physical education. By understanding the challenge related to mathematical integration, uh, trigonometric calculation, and conceptual mission understanding, we can improve the Williamson law of motion, our thought, and learning. Enough. Gitu. Next talk. Ya. Sabtu dulu itu. Kita mana speaker natong di mute.
That's closing that conclude our presentation on the critical appraisal of the research article. We hope our presentation has provided us full insight into the learning difficulties faced by students in mastering Newton's law of motion. Thank you for your attention. We are open to question, feedback, or discussion. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Beres. Tinggal disirah kok kalau ayah euy.
Kumaun eueuh. Panas geus medio. Kalayaan eueuh euy.
Mau beres gitu.
Kira orang WA.
Concludes our presentation on critical appraisal of the research. Garut deh, Rahma.
Di WC mah.
Sekarang
Beres emang.
beres dong.